Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I will inform you the latest makeup news, which is I Heart Revolution Nutcracker Christmas 2022 makeup collection, and this makeup collection inspired by the Nutcracker. So guys, this collection include largest kit containing a white palette and a 2 lip product, a set of 3 lip glosses, and a delicious kit that will make you fall in love at first sight, containing a cloud shaped shower gel and a bath bomb. The collection is called Nutcracker and it's dedicated to the Nutcracker. So guys, the Nutcracker set is undoubtedly the highlight of the collection as well as the largest kit, and it has 30 eyeshadows and 2 lip glosses. So guys, the palette is inspired by the Christmas suite, and we find the bold light colors such as pink, nude, sky blue and purple as well, and the 2 glosses on the other hand give semi-transparent and volumizing effect. Guys, other product is I Heart Evolution Nutcracker Lip Trio Lip Set, and this lip set contains 3 lip glosses dedicated to the Nutcracker. To the proposed color are transparent, nude and pink. And the last one product is Candy Cloud Sleep Set, a cute set ideal to use for an evening body care before going to sleep. And it has marshmallow cloud shower gel enclosed in a beautiful cloud shaped bottle and a bath bomb. Both products are scented with soothing aromas, lavender and orange, super relaxing. So guys, if you like this video, so please do subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you will notify the latest makeup news. Please support me, support my channel, and stay tuned, stay connected, stay healthy. Bye.